Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Fixing a non-functioning Graco Simple Sway baby swing is a common task for many parents. Most problems are easy to solve with basic troubleshooting steps. First, check your power source. Ensure the AC adapter is pushed all the way into the wall and the swing. If you are using batteries, swap them for a fresh set of D batteries. Sometimes the swing needs new batteries even when plugged in. Second, inspect the swing arms for any obstructions. Blankets or toys can get caught and stop the motion. If the motor makes a humming sound but does not move, give the seat a gentle manual push. This often jump-starts the swinging motion. Third, check the speed control dial. Turn it to the off position and then slowly turn it back up to the highest setting. Fourth, examine the battery compartment for any white crust or corrosion. Clean the metal contacts with a dry cloth or a small amount of vinegar on a cotton swab. Fifth, check the weight limit of the swing. If your baby is too heavy, the motor will stop for safety. Sixth, try a hard reset by unplugging the unit from the wall for at least 15 minutes. This clears the internal circuit board. Finally, check all wire connections under the motor housing. Look for loose or pinched wires that might cut the power. If these steps do not work, the motor may need to be replaced entirely. Most Graco replacement parts are available online for a quick repair. These simple fixes will get your baby back to napping peacefully in no time at all.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.